I'm at Horgos City in China's Xinjiang. Behind me is the Horgos station of Paipe China West Pipelines Company. This is the first station for Central Asian gas entering China. Natural gas from Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and other countries is pressured here and becomes clean energies for more than 500 million people in China.
Since its operation in 2009, the station has been operating stably, benefiting China's 27 provinces, municipalities, and the autonomous regions and the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region. According to Paipe China West Pipeline Company, the China Central Asia gas pipeline supplied 43.2 billion cubic meters of natural gas to China in 2022. As China's first transnational gas pipeline, it runs from the border of Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan, passes through Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan, and links up with China's west-to-east gas pipeline in Horgos.